Dan, thank you very much for joining us today. When you first started working with Creatio, you were actually using Salesforce before.
We inherited some technology from both of those two constituent businesses. The Salesforce implementation, it's fair to say, was not popular. So Creatio, we sort of got introduced through a colleague who was working with us at the time. You took the very brave step of giving me access to it for a weekend. Within 6 hours of a Saturday, I put together a system that convinced me that this was going to allow me to do everything that I needed to do. So it's been a really impressive sort of first phase that we did, but we also took Creatio on with a view to the future. It wasn't just discreetly to solve the Salesforce problem.
What does the new era of CRM mean to you?
We're now getting into a phase now where the CRM is going to do the CRMing for you. It's not customer relationship management anymore. It is the manager. Yeah, it's the system understanding what's happening with a customer, then being able to take the next step and understand what's going to take the customer forward, and then actually doing that.
How does Creatio and the AI and the automation within it give you an advantage in managing your different processes for your customers?
We use Creatio AI to understand what's being asked, what the opportunity is, how much juice is in this lead, and then we can decide appropriately as to how we best tackle that to maximize everything. Interesting part for us with Creatio is being able to move from a digital world back into a manual and back to a digital, and how easy it is to configure that combination of man and machine.
And in terms of the no-code element, specifically, how has that no-code helped you?
We've got the first phase out under immense time pressure. I don't think we could have done that with any tooling that's other than Creatio. What was really interesting though, and we've done 3 or 4 projects where we've deepened Creatio's impact within our business since then, is that we've put things live quickly and then you receive back all the real feedback. But having the ability to be able to take that feedback, incorporate it into the product with action and put it back out there means they see that all of a sudden you're a technology department that's responding immensely quickly to their needs. It becomes a real positive experience.
Let's look ahead. 3 years, 5 years. Where do you see yourselves using AI? What benefits do you think it's going to bring?
We see Creatio as being this engine that sits at the heart of our business, powers our digital experience online, self-serve, 24/7 availability, but also taking all of the admin away from our people in the field. Having technology do more of the heavy lifting and people doing more of the people thing is absolutely where we're going to be. It's a tremendously exciting period.